We are going to load a CSV file in Spark data frame using Scala. So for that, I'm creating one directory in which I'll be putting my sample file. Say the local directory name is data, in which I'm creating one file named as a sample.csv. In this, I'm going to insert some random values with header like ID, type, and points. Below that, I'm inserting some random values like 1 to 3, some random type, and points. Okay, just save it. Now we need to put this sample file into the hdfs directory using put command. I'm putting it into the temp directory. Okay, you can verify it using ls command. Okay, so the file is present over here. Now the next step is we need to log into Spark shell. I believe it's gonna take a while. Here we go. So I'm creating a data frame. Say the name is mydf, and I'm trying to read that CSV file into it using spark.read, and we have to mention one format, and the format is CSV, that is comma separated values, and we have to give some options, and the first option would be the infer schema true, so that we need not to create schema, and the second is header equal to true, because we have header in our file. And at the last, you need to mention the complete file path. Here, we'll write the hdfs path. The temp, and the name of file was sample.csv. Okay, so we have successfully loaded that. We can see the name of columns using this command, ID, type, and points, and you can also see the complete schema using print schema command. So the ID is integer, type is a string, and point is double. So he has successfully inferred the schema. Now if you want to see the data, you can use show command, and we can see here that the data of CSV file is successfully loaded into the data frame.